Ever wondered how the invisible life-giving gas we breathe every day is produced? Well, the credit goes to our green friends, the plants. They are the little factories tirelessly producing oxygen, the vital component of the air we breathe. The secret behind this magical transformation is a process called photosynthesis. It's one of nature's most fascinating phenomena, turning sunlight into food and releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Imagine that. The very air we breathe is a byproduct of a plant's mealtime. Now, how does this process work? It begins with plants soaking up sunlight through their leaves, much like one would soak up the sun on a bright summer day. But that's not all. The plants also breathe in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores on their leaves called stomata. It's a bit like how we humans inhale oxygen. Inside the plant cells, this sunlight and carbon dioxide combine with water from the soil to create glucose, a type of sugar that serves as food for the plant. This transformation is powered by the energy from sunlight, a testament to the incredible power of our nearest star. But the magic doesn't stop there. As a byproduct of making their food, plants release oxygen back into the air. It's almost as if they're saying, "Here, have some fresh air on us." Isn't that something to marvel at? Every breath we take is a gift from the plants around us. They are the unsung heroes, the ultimate oxygen factories, working round the clock to keep our air clean and fresh. So, the next time you pass by a plant, take a moment to appreciate the vital role it plays. It's not just a plant, it's an oxygen factory, a life sustainer, a silent guardian of the air we breathe. In a nutshell, plants produce oxygen through photosynthesis, a process involving sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to create glucose and oxygen. It's a complex process made simple by these green wonders, resulting in the fresh air we all enjoy. Thanks for joining this exploration of nature's fantastic oxygen factories. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never forget to appreciate the amazing plants that surround us. Until next time, remember, every breath you take is a gift from a plant.